just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Not So Crafty Corner. It is cold outside, y'all, so I am not in the crafty corner today. I did have to spend the night at work, but I did make it home. And I just popping on here to show you my little Dollar General haul. I did make it to Dollar General yesterday morning before I went to work, because we had the sales start, and I have one Dollar General that opens at 7, so I did pop in there and pick up a few things. I didn't pick up a whole lot, but I picked up enough. So I'm going to flip you around and we'll go through those little items and take it from there, y'all. Alright, so first of all, let me just show y'all that's what it's looking like outside. As you can see, I'm inside. Alright, but first thing I want to show you is these Werther Originals. I did pick up some of those. I picked up the cinnamon cream. Just 2 bags of those. And the cookie buttercream. Picked up 2 bags of those. So I do have the 2 bags there. Alright, now I also picked up these Hershey Kisses. So picked up the big ones. And then I picked up these candy cane kisses because, you know, I'll open those up and put them in a different bag. I have the little snack bags. I can put those in to go into some concepts. But they only had a few of these Hershey Kisses, so I went ahead and got all of those. And as you can see, it wasn't that many. It's like we got 7 of those. Okay. Alright, they also had these bags of the Baby Ruth Crunch Bars and the Butterfingers. And these are the minis. I picked up, they only had 2 bags of these. I picked up both of these bags. I'm hoping to make some little lollipop concepts with these. And to also put into some of the gift baskets. The packaging on the inside is not too Christmassy, but we can make this work. Alright, they had the peanut butter cups. I did pick those up because they are plain wrap. They're not Christmas wrapped, even though their colors look a little Christmassy, but we can make these colors work for Valentine's Day as well. So I picked those up. And I don't have near enough candy, y'all. That's why I picked up the candy that I could find. But these are the peanut butter cups. I picked up the Whitman samplers. As you can see, regular price was $6. I paid 25 cents for each one of these. And this is a good size box of chocolates. So, the only thing on these is the bow. And we know we can make that bow work for Valentine's Day, Christmas, Mother's Day. So I did pick up the Whitman samplers. Alright, so make sure you're still checking your expiration dates, y'all. The expiration date on these is June 2025. And we will have those out of the arsenal before then. So that's on your Whitman samplers. June 2025. And it is a good size box of chocolates. Alright, and then I picked up the Russell Stouffer's assorted chocolates. Now, these were ringing up full price, which was $6. And, or they may have been 10, I'm not sure. Anyway, she changed the price on these. She said that and this is the manager at the Dollar General that I went to, said that some of the items were not 25 cents. And that this was one of the items that is not ringing up 25 cents. So it is ringing up full price. But she did change the price on them because she had them on the sales table. She said she took responsibility. She said, I put them up there because that's what I thought they were Christmas. She says, but some of them are rolling over to Valentine's. So all of the Christmas candies are not part of the 25-cent sale, and these were not. But she did mark them down to 25 cents, partly because I only had 5 of them. Now, these are the smaller boxes of the Russell Stover. They're still a good size box, but they're smaller. The large boxes, which were ringing up more, I think they were 10 or 12. I'm not sure exactly what the price was on those. She would not ring those up. She said that they could change the prices on some of the items, but that they were really not supposed to do that because all the items set for 25 cents were already set in the store and they were ringing up 25 cents. So I did get these 5 boxes for 25 cents. But if you go into your Dollar General and they ring up full price and they will not mark it down, that is up to your Dollar General. This lady marked these down for me. So those were all of the candy items that I got. So let me just show you the non-candy items that I did pick up. And I did not pick up a lot at all. But let me just show you those. So I did go through their ribbon box and I picked up the ribbon. These were the only solid ones I found, but that's okay. They were the big rolls and the small rolls. And I got them for 25 cents. Now next week I may go back and get the 10-cent ribbon. If it goes down to 10 cents. Alright, I also picked up these pins. Alright, and what I like about these pins is the colors, okay, but you see the candy canes on them? They pull right off. So I can take all the candy canes off. And bam, we have us a Valentine's ribbon that we can use. Alright, and that's on these. These have the snowflakes on them. And I'm working with one hand here, y'all. Alright, and same thing. The snowflakes come right off. So you can pull the snowflakes off. Alright, and you have a nice little pin for your journal concepts. And I have a lot of journals that will be going into some baskets. And I wanted to pair them with the pins as well. So I did pick up these pins. Picked up 6 of them. Along with the ribbon. And those are the only non-candy items that I picked up. So that's it for the Dollar General haul, y'all. Didn't get a whole lot, but I got enough to get what I need to get done. And have some left over for the next time. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you're not a member of the Crafty Corner Club, make sure you check our membership out. And thank you all for all of your support. I love you all. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
Oh, 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 oh. I just came to say hey.